How to make a YouTube subscribe link. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll demonstrate on how to create a subscription link on YouTube. So first of all, you will need to obtain your YouTube channel link. To do this, you can navigate to youtube.com first, log into your specific account, and then navigate to your channel page. You can search for your channel directly or click on your profile picture in the top right corner and then select your channel option. This will take you to your channel page. Next, locate the URL of the channel in the top of the screen. Depending on your browser, it may be at the top or the bottom of the screen, especially on the mobile devices. Highlight the URL, right-click on it, and then click on copy. For clarity, I'll paste this link in the document. To add a subscription confirmation pop-up to your link, simply append the following text to end of your channel URL, that is sub_confirmation, and right after you type this in your channel link, you'll be done. After entering this, hit on enter and your new link will be ready. When you click this link, you will see a pop-up asking if you want to confirm your subscription to your channel, and that's all you need to do. So this was all about it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.